Yes, sir. My daily driver. My daily driver
His
is
name is Jose.
nice. It's Juan, thank you. No, my actual daily driver is a Toyota Sienna, a 2025 Toyota Sienna. Yeah, it
Why not
gets.
to Monte Carlo? He's got
Well,
two Monte Carlo.
daily driver, Jay. It's like, I'd be afraid of digging up the Monte Carlo at a Starbucks drive-through. Whereas the Sienna, man, if you stuff a hubcap, oh well. That's what it's for. I love the fact, a couple reasons. One, no one believes it's me in the Sienna. Secondly, 18 cup holders. Did you know that? 18 cup holders. 18. Freaking 18.
That's just for you.
You know what, Jay? It also has a refrigerator in it, a vacuum, room for 8. I mean, you can get in and out, and 500 miles every time you fill up. So that's the daily. I know, right? You didn't expect that one, right? So something like the Volkswagen bus, I'll take those out from time to time, but classics, they've all left me on the side of the road at one point in time, and this thing is too pretty to wind up stuck on the side of the road. So I have to let everyone know.
Is that a beautiful car?
Yeah. Oh, I thought you were pointing at the white girl.
That's a hot
Yeah. That's mine too. But anyway, yeah, success. The Toyota Sienna is the one that I take out the most. Secondly, I have a Golf, a Volkswagen Golf, and it's stick shift, which is awesome because I'm not worried about people stealing it.
What year is that?
It's brand new. It's 25. Yeah.
You didn't know the ring mistakes.
Yeah. I think this is the last year. It's the last year of it. But yeah, that Sienna, man. Oh. Charging ports, every seat. It's awesome. Sorry, man, you're doing the promo.
Any other questions? Anybody else? Yes.
Hey, in your collection, do you have a Kaiser Frasier?
In my collection, do I have a Kaiser Frasier? No, I don't. I used to have a Kaiser Manhattan, and it had the stupidest accessory. It was a box on a steering column. We filled it with cigarettes. When you pressed the button, the cigarette would roll down. It would get lit automatically, and then it would flip it in the air, and you would catch it. And in the end, you see the guy driving, and he kept going. It was like, he's so impressive. You don't see the cigarettes go on the floor and catch the car on fire. But it's like the stupidest assessment. It's like the funniest thing I've ever seen now. It's like, Kaiser built a good car.
I didn't know that was that feature.
This is Mr. Kaiser himself right here, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah.
So you got a cigarette that flicks in the air feature in your car, but me having 18 cup holders is excessive. Okay. To each their own.
My daily, well, I don't know, whatever I'm working on usually is what yesterday it was a 65 Pontiac Grand Prix. Yeah, just whatever, If they do one oil change a day, it takes 18 months, so. Whatever I'm driving, I'll take this home. I need an excuse to take it. But probably a Tesla if I'm going to
The Plaid. Jay took me for a ride in that Plaid when he first got it. He was so nonchalant about it. He's like, yeah, just get in the car. I'm thinking I'm on the corner. He goes, hold on, and then freaking gunned it. And the amount of the G-force in that car is insane. He literally burnt me in the car. Yeah.
And those are G.
That's G-force. What did I say? Okay, sorry.
Bucky, do you have any single cabs in your collection?
Any what?
Single cabs in your collection?
I had 2. One of them is now sitting at the museum, the Comedy Museum in Jamestown, New York. I donated that to the museum. It was a single, and I have the double cab that's still in my building.
Anybody else?
Yeah, there's a lot of Volkswagens. 13 window. I had one 15 window bus called the Quinceañera, and I actually traded that one. The bulk of them though are 21 and 23 window buses. Only one Volkswagen Bug and one Carmen Ghia.
What year Bug?
I don't remember.
I got a 57.
Who washes them all?
Oh, I got a guy. I don't do it. But you know what he washes them with? The Jay Leno.
That's right.
Jay Leno
That's like the car care
garage
product.
car kit.
Actually, this is stuff we developed in my garage. We didn't buy somebody else's product and put our name on it. We spent about 10 years experimenting, seeing. My thing is, I kind of make my money doing other stuff, so I want to make a high quality product.
I know you guys want to see me open this,
It had
right?
the least amount of water in it. Yeah. But it really works. It works. The wheel cleaner, wheel cleaner got voted the best wheel cleaner of all the wheel cleaners, which is pretty good.
So on this collab, we got to have fun with some of the names,
Yeah.
which I appreciated. So like this one right here is the car wash soap. It's called Fluffy Fizz. Fluffy Fizz. Hold your jokes. The tire shine one. It's just high gloss tire shine. We didn't have something witty for tire shine. This one is the all-purpose interior cleaner. And they all have great scents too. I know that's what you care about when you're
That's
washing
an
your
excellent
car.
cologne. Well, you know something? I always think, people sometimes think when they wash their car to use like Dawn dishwashing detergent. That is the worst thing you can do because you wouldn't use it on your hair because it's meant to lift dirt and grease and it actually harms your paint. If you don't use mine, but always use a professional car wash because it really is the most gentle shampoo ever. Because modern paint is $600 a quart when you go into farming. And that's what it costs because it has to be environmentally friendly and all this kind of stuff. So you want to have something that is easy on the paint. And if you use like Tide dishwashing or even Dawn where they wash the duct, the duct is no. It really is the worst thing to do.
You'll scratch your paint.
It's just too hard. This is gentle like fluff.
Very. Very.
Anybody else? How is on water based? Oh, excellent. That's what it's for. I mean, California, all automotive paints are water based. That's why it's so expensive. When I was a kid, Earl Scheib painted any car at $29.95. You try to get gray paint, it's $600 a foot. I mean, a good.
I'll just casually stand here and pull this until I get the burn. You remember Earl Scheib being 29? Like when I was growing up, I remember I'll paint any car for $99.95. So when I was growing up, it was $99.95.
Right.
Already, there's a difference.
Yeah, mine was 20.
Oh yeah.
That shows how much older I am.
So this gentleman that's to my left here, this is Francisco. He's the one that designed the artwork for the new
Oh,
bottles.
he's
for
a
the
great artist.
collaboration.
Show him that.
Okay. How long did it take you to design this?
Oh, 3 months and a half.
He's getting paid by the hour.
A few days. A few days. Just like maybe a week or something, going back and forth every day.
I met Francisco a few years ago at Comic-Con in San Diego, and he's an incredible artist. He's worked with Disney, Marvel, and the fact that we were able to get him to make this was a treat. So thank you. Thank you, listener.
Oh, this go.
Pre-orders are open today.
Like the regular J.Lo and Brian products.
Doesn't have fluffy fizz.
We gotta have the fluff.
You gotta have fluffy fizz in it. Yeah, it actually smells like cola, which is when I say cola, like the soda, not like in Spanish.
Cola.
No, it doesn't. It's like soda beverage. What time did you get here today?
I got here about 6:30.
You beat me. I flew in, landed about 9 o'clock.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, well, this is a great show. It's a lot of fun. Any other question? Anybody? Anything?
Go for it, buddy.
Do you still run the Evans Coolant in all your cars?
He's asking if I run something called Evans Coolant. What Evans Coolant is it's a coolant with no water in it. And it's life of the car coolant. And it's a non-pressurized system. It's like older cars, it works great because it boils at like 390 and it doesn't evaporate. And it's life of the car. You know, I was working on one of my Duesenbergs and I pulled the water jacket up one day to polish it. And it was just filled with rust. And well, that's it. I flushed it once I put Evans in it 20 years ago, and the sun coolant. And the fun part is when you have to take a water pump or something to car, there's no rust because it's not H2O. And there's no oxygen in the water. And sometimes when nothing rusts. Yeah, I'm very happy with it. It works really good.